In this tutorial, we'll take on the role of workbook authors completing self-service data preparation as we learn how to use data quality insights in Fusion Data Intelligence, or FDI. Using data quality insights is an easy way to clean or enhance external data that does not meet the standards needed for analysis and reporting. I have a table with employee performance data in the join diagram. Oracle Analytics provides a visual summary of the quality of the data in a tile above each column that helps to quickly identify issues. The tiles display frequency for text or a histogram for dates and numbers. If the tiles were not displayed, I'd select the Toggle Quality Tiles icon. I notice the quality bar for the country column is not a solid bar. I'll hover over the quality bar to see a pop-up summary showing the percentage of valid and invalid values. I'll select the area marked as invalid to filter on invalid values. In this example, AV is an invalid country code. It should be AU for Australia. I'll double-click the value and use inline replace to enter the correct value and then press enter or return. Now, when I hover over the quality bar, 100% of the country values are valid. I also noticed an error in the display values for the ethnicity column. To fix this, I'll select the bar for Pacific Islander to apply a temporary filter. I'll use the inline replace again to enter the correct spelling and then press enter or return. Once the data is updated, Oracle Analytics adds replace list steps to the preparation script panel. I can edit, delete, and manage either step, and I have a record of the changes I've made. To save changes and apply them to my data, I'll select Save. Find additional videos and more information on using Fusion Data Intelligence from the resources in the links below.